You my treasure hunts hot birds. This is a short card T-hunt hot bird. Here we have a treasure hunt hot bird. And here the treasure hunt T-hunt hot bird. This one is a T-hunt hot bird that has been custom made with custom wheels. You can see the wheels are slightly different. Moving on, we go to the treasure hunts that are supers. You can see they're darker and have different wheels. Much cleaner wheels than the regulars. And this one here is a T-hunt hot bird. Again, these are my personal collection of hot bird treasure hunts. Hope you enjoyed.